In this video, I will show you how to find your account number on Wise. So in order to find your Wise account number, what you want to go and do is simply open up the Wise app or website, and from there go to GBP, so British Pound, and go and click on it. Now from there you will see this. Now here just click on the green bar that has the numbers 744, etc. for me right under your GBP balance. And then here the second thing you will see is your account number, so you can now just click copy, and now you have copied your Wise account number. So make sure to do this with the British Pound, since you will only have an account number for that. Now if you don't yet have the British Pound, then you will just need to add it as a currency, so you can click new, and then just open a balance, and then here select the British Pound, and then you can get your account number within the British Pound. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.